What's going on, troops? Welcome back to the channel. I am, of course, Stevie, the military biker. Today, I've got another fantastic product for you guys that has been sent to me from the legends at Advanblack. Something that looks amazing on the bike. So let's get into the video and I'll show you guys what I've got now. What's going on, troops? So like I said, the legends at Advanblack, as you guys know, support my channel, and they have sent me some phenomenal stuff to stick onto the bike. So I've already done the install. Again, it was pretty simple, really simple actually, so I'm not going to insult your intelligence by showing you how to do something as simple as that, but as you can see right down there, the legends, like I said, that Advanblack have sent me through the Advanblack Vengeance front rider floorboards for Harleys and Softails. Not only have they sent me the floorboards for the front, they've sent me the clutch peg as well, and of course rear passenger floorboards as well, which flip down like that. So a full complete kit. And on the other side, obviously the rear brake footboard, which I'll show you right now, is on the other side, again with a full set of floorboards onto the side, as they say in Yorkshire. As you can see there, it comes, it says Advanblack on it, and each one of these comes with obviously the mounting kits that you will need for the back, and obviously the front there, you'll be using your original ones on the front, but the back ones do come with the mounting brackets needed to fit these to your bike. Now, it was a pretty simple job, like I said. These do come in obviously the black version for my bike because it's got the black accent, but they do come in chrome as well. So if you've got a chrome bike, all of this does come in chrome, which is pretty cool too. Now, I like these boards. They look pretty snazzy, let's be honest. They do look cool. They're pretty light for what they are, and they're pretty, like I said, pretty simple to fit. The only thing I will say when you're putting these on is be careful with the screws underneath here, all right, on the mounting brackets, but on both of these, do not over tighten them, okay? Because this is machine stuff, okay? So do not over tighten them, because you're just going to go straight through it and rip the thread completely off, all right? And then they'll be rendered useless. So just put a little bit of blue Loctite on them, and just tighten them up, and you'll feel it when it's good to go. But do not over tighten them, okay? Because you will lose the thread on the inside of these, no problem whatsoever. It will go. So please be careful. Now, they are obviously machine cut, and obviously on the top there they've got these nice lovely bobbles, if you like, so to keep the grip on your foot while it's on the pedal, on the floorboards. And again, same on the back there. Like I said, if you are going to get these, get the set. Why not? Because it's going to look a bit crazy with the actual still Harley ones on there. It will look a bit daft. And yes, you may not be able to afford to get the full kit straight away. So I'll run you through some of the prices, okay, for these guys. What I will say, direct from the website, obviously they are 6061 billet aluminium rider bagger floorboards is basically what they are. So they are made of aluminium, and that's why I said about not over tightening them, okay, because you will just rip the thread completely off the aluminium. Aggressive spikes, that's what they're called, the spikes on top, aggressive spikes, and direct bolt on with all mounting hardware, and screws are included with any one of these that you buy. Now, you can actually buy these, you will be able to buy these separately, but you can actually buy them separately all at once if you want to, or just buy them over time, all right? They will be there, they are always in stock. If you need them. And again, it says chrome or black. So for the floorboards there, it's about 17.5 inches in length and 5 inches wide at the widest point, which is really cool. These bad boys retail at $459, all right? They are custom cut, guys. This is custom work you're getting, all right? So that's why it's got a custom price tag. But again, I stand by Advanblack products. So you're getting a really good bit of kit for what you're getting, really. Now, like I said, you can buy these, or you need to buy these separately, okay? And obviously the floorboards at the back here, they retail at $379, all right? They are literally half the size of these bad boys. But like I said, it's pointless getting them and not getting them. Let's be honest, because it's going to look a bit crazy. But these retail $379. All of this is US dollars, excluding postage and packaging. Now the brake pad on the other side there, that retails at $99, and obviously the Advanblack shift pad and shift arm linkage, all right, that retails in at $289. Okay, now this, it does come with a complete heel and toe shifter on there. If you want to put both of them on, you can do, but if you want to just put the front toe shifter on there, then you can do as well. They do come as a kit, but separate, if you know what I mean. So if you wanted to put the heel shifter on, you could do, or like I've done there, just leave it on for the toe, no problem whatsoever. Now the fitment of these, all right, let's for the actual floorboards at the front there, it does say 80 up Harley Touring models and 86 to 17 Softails. All right, so that's a wide variety of kit that this actually, you know, will fit. And these floorboards are for the driver position only. These ones, all right, clearly, and some models may require modification to the OEM kickstand for proper installation. I don't know which models that would be. You'd have to go check out the Advanblack website to find out which models they are. But yeah, I mean, like you can see, I've got the lowers now on the front, as you guys know. So my lowers on there fit perfectly with the floorboard, so it's really, really cool, and it makes the bike doesn't look like your standard Harley street glide just straight from the shop floor, let's be honest. So yeah, they are pretty cool, and these bad boys, they do have a bit of, they are pretty solid, all right. You don't get the spring in them like you do for the standard OEM ones. Okay, once they're on, they're solid. All right, so you potentially might get a little bit of vibration through them because you no longer have that spring pad that you do have with the Harley OEM ones. So there you go, guys. That is the Advanblack Vengeance floorboard kit. Let's call it a kit because I've got it all, so let's call it a complete kit. All right, these are the Vengeance floorboards. They are pretty cool. They look really good. They feel really good. They fit really good, actually. And obviously the passenger floorboards on the back, they do obviously flip up and down, and they spring load into position, so they're not going to be they're not going to flap down when you're on the road, so they do flip into position like that. And you know, this kit is really good for if you want to make your bike that little bit more custom than what a normal standard is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little video. Get yourselves over to the Advanblack website, grab yourself the kit today, or indeed if you want certain bits, then just buy certain bits. You know, you can, like I said, buy, you need to buy these separately, okay? So everything that I've mentioned price-wise was excluding postage and packaging. So obviously when you do go through to the basket at the end of the Advanblack website, as always, they will calculate the postage and packaging for you. All right, they are good. They are aluminium, so they're quite light. And it fits really good on the bike, so yeah, there you go. Grab yourselves some Vengeance floorboards today from Advanblack, either in chrome or black. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy that video. Again, as you guys know, in the winter in Canada, we've got a lot of time to customize our bikes, so that's what I've been doing, and hopefully you guys think these looks pretty cool. So thanks very much for watching the video. If you did like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, like that says somewhere down there right now, please think about subscribing. It does help the channel, all right? And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, then please hit that bell button and you will get a notification every time I upload a video. Anyway, I'll let you go. I am Stevie, the military biker. Stay safe wherever you are around the world, and remember, you'll never walk alone.